Your phone can destroy your mind, or it can get you paid. You can stay at home, endlessly scroll, or you can utilize the tools around you to make some money. You may have watched some people's videos telling you how to make money from home, but it's not worked. And to be honest, I'm not surprised, because all they're trying to do is sell you a course and make you join their paid community. But if you watch my channel, then you know that I'm not here to sell your product or sell you a service. I'm here trying to give you all free sauce. So if you want to know how to get paid from your phone, watch till the end of the video. The first bit of money I ever made with my phone was making TikToks. I was making 5 a day for a month, and it was for this company called Peblo. I'm pretty sure that there was a marketing team for social medias, and they allowed you to grow faster and stuff like that. But what this £1,500 allowed me to do was build my first PC. I sourced every part, built the PC, and then I started editing for big YouTube clients. I slowly started to learn the game, and that's how I started getting my big paycheck. So making money from your phone, it is quite easy, but you just have to get referred in the right places and you can easily start making a bit of cash. The most simple thing you can do with your phone is actually make a YouTube channel. A lot of people say this, trust me, but if you see self-improvement channels, a lot of these people have blew up strictly from making iPhone content. Now you might be thinking, oh, I don't know how to do this. I don't really understand YouTube. I don't know how it works. Well, if you just start doing it, who says that you can't make money from it? There's so many things that you can do with your phone. Now, as I previously said, you can endlessly scroll on your phone, or you can actually utilize your phone in order to make you money. I'm not saying take the advice of all these people that say, here's how, if you join my course, you can make this amount of money. That's unrealistic. I'm only here trying to give you realistic things you can do to make money. So of course, you can make a YouTube channel, or if you're not ready for that stage yet, go for TikTok. Now, if you don't already know, there is a crazy TikTok monetization going on. If you make videos that's around 1 minute 30 to 2 minutes, you could, if you have a 1 minute 30 video to 2 minutes, and obviously you have to hit the threshold to even make money, but trust me, it don't take long. It's 10K followers, 100,000 views. That's very realistic. I've done it on numerous TikToks. You can easily make per TikTok video £2,000 plus. Look at this TikToker called Charlie D'Amelio, for instance. She has around 150 million followers, I think, and all she does is dance. She gets paid 6 figures a month for dancing around on TikTok. Now, if that don't push you and make you angry to get money right now, then I don't know what else will. And there's these other people, the NPC lives, they make 10K plus per stream, all for saying, Rose, ice cream. How? I don't understand how they make money, but they do. They make more money than your parents and you combined for licking imaginary ice creams, and you can't make a single penny from your iPhone. Now, if you don't want to show your face on YouTube or TikTok, then simply you can edit for other people. So if you're not comfortable showing your face on YouTube or TikTok, then simply what you can do is edit for other people. Now, a lot of people will use apps like Premiere Pro, After Effects, Vegas on a PC, but if you're not in a financial position to have a PC, then get CapCut. A lot of people inside of the editing industry do not like CapCut. However, when I tell you it is probably one of the best tools you can use, I'm telling you as an editor, use it. Utilize it. I know a videographer that makes thousands a month, and she uses CapCut, and her edits are insane. It literally has loads of free presets you can use. You might have to pay for the pro version if you want to take it seriously, but it's only like £60 a year. You can get some pocket money and afford that. If you don't want to edit, then you can record people's YouTube videos. If you have a new iPhone and it has pretty good camera quality, then you can just be a cameraman. And trust me, if you're up with some really good people and they're making good money off YouTube, you can be getting a really good pay from this. For instance, my camera guy right here. Now, obviously we're using the camera, but these new iPhones and the camera quality on them is absolutely insane. Now that leads me into my next point. You can record music videos. I know a lot of you have seen a music video channel called Lyrical Lemonade that's run by a guy called Cole Bennett. He shot videos for Yeet, Little Yachty, loads of people, and he's even done certain ones with a new iPhone. Now, if that don't motivate you to make money from your phone, you're pretty much screwed, because he pretty much proved it. You can make really good music videos with basically no expense. Of course, he has the crazy edits and stuff like that, but you don't need them. All you need is a really good vision and a good plan, and you can come out with some really good stuff. It's just about how you do it. Now, the next one, you need a bit of capital to start up, but it's Forex and crypto trading. You can download apps on your phone. You can even start putting little £10 in here, £20 in there, start building up your portfolio, just like I did. And then you can start growing it out, start trading, start learning the game. you can start making money that way. And there's also these other things that I'm not really too familiar with, but I'm pretty sure they're demo accounts, and you can have trading firms or whatever, and they can basically give you money to start with. Once you pass the test, they can give you 100 grand to trade with, and anything you make, like I think it's a 10% profit or whatever it is on that specific firm, but you can make money like that. And that's not even with yours, but you can just keep profit off trading other people's money. The easiest thing you could also do to start making profit is sell on apps like eBay, Vinted, and Depop. You can start with old clothes, old shoes, old Xbox, old PlayStation. If you sell it, start getting a bit of money in, then you can start buying other people's stuff. Say for instance, a new pair of Jordans somebody sold, might have been worn 1-2 times. All you gotta do is order it, give them a nice little clean, repaint some stuff on it, then sell it on for more. Keep doing the same thing, and eventually you can have a whole stock of things. This applies to anything. A lot of people do shoe reselling, but you can be a console reseller, you can be a tech reseller. It doesn't matter what it is, but if you just keep investing in your business, keep buying, keep selling, eventually you could be making like $1 grand a week. They always make courses and teach you how to do it. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is just buy it and keep selling, and you will learn the game naturally. You don't need to buy no one's course for all that. But if I have one piece of advice and you're a young hustler, please start making content. Use your phone, use social media for the better, not for consumption. I promise you, you will get paid at some point if you just use the ideas that I've given you. You can think about them yourself, but sometimes you just need to hear it from another person. I'm Ty White. If you've believed that any of these tips have helped you and you've gained even a slight bit of knowledge, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know